Hi everyone, it's David again from Eat Club, and this is my second skill. It's a bit of a niche one, but it's chopping chives. So I really like this one because it's a really good way of practicing your knife skills and a really good way of making sure that you're really accurate and exact when you're chopping. If you ever work in a professional kitchen, the chefs are normally really picky over making sure everything is basically the same size and all neat and tidy. I'm sure it depends which kitchen, but that's what I found. So this is a good way of practicing your skill and demonstrating your knife skills essentially. So what I have here is a chopping board, and I've put it on a cloth underneath, so a damp cloth, and that just keeps the board steady. And then I've got a sharp knife, which I sharpened a moment ago. Cool. And so what I'm looking for here is about 1.5 millimeter wide slices of the chive, and I'm trying to make them all evenly equal size. So a lot of this skill is actually in your life skills themselves. But by doing this, we can maybe talk through a few of those as well. So chives all together, we'll try to line them up so they're even, and then going to sort of hold them lightly, use the claw technique, and then rest the knife against my side of my finger there, and I'm just going to keep hold of the chives themselves, work the knife up. Just looking down on top of the knife. If you always look down on top of the knife, you know exactly what you're chopping. You know if you're going to chop your finger. And then you should be able to get them nice and neat. So it might be easier to move your hand back a little bit and just hold it, as opposed to being right up to the edge. Okay, and then the last little bit, it's quite hard to prep that, so put that to the side, and you can use that in a different dish, or you can put it in stock if you want as well. Cool, so yeah, a bit of a niche one, but that's chopping chives. Skill 2. Thanks a lot, and see you again. Bye.